Here we are with a shower-to-shower conversion in a custom master bathroom here in beautiful Lake Arrowhead over on Hamilton. So what they had was existing, which is most of the homes here in Arrowhead, was all custom tile. And as with so many homes and with all the tremors and shakes and quakes that we get here, over time there was a massive amount of wood rot. We'll throw over the before and the during pictures on this so you can get a feel for it. And then what we did is remove everything like we do in every one of our projects, repaired everything back to brand new, and then of course redid all the plumbing, new valve, set the base, and then installed all the beautiful fixtures and the new wall surround that you see here. Again, another beautiful remodel of a master bathroom here in Hamilton, Lake Arrowhead.